What's up, Exo Peeps? Today we're gonna be playing different game. I don't play this much. I'm not gonna probably play it much. And if you guys do want to show some support, and yeah, let's get straight into this. And this is a game called Bear Simulator. So, bear goals: find and what does it say? Give me a second. Run! Oh my God, lol. Ah! Go. Okay. This is never mind. You know what? I think it's find and eat everything in each region. Oh, there we go. Okay. Become smarter than the average wait, where was I? Bear. Stay away from further regions until I will bulk up. Discover mysteries. Okay. This is gonna be pretty interesting. So. Before I start, you want to go and smash that like button down below, cause yeah, I just and while you're there, you might as well smash that subscribe button. And if it is red, you have to click it. If it's not red, then you're a subscriber, and yeah, you want to go hit that subscribe button. So. And while you're there, smash that notification bell, because if you're not part of the notification squad, you'll miss out on all my videos. Well, you won't miss out on all of them, but you'll get notifications for them, just you know what I mean. Okay, so, first of all, I kind of want to find something cool. Ooh, one intelligence, there we go. Smell, I can smell. My smell went up to 1. I just got a better smell, so now I can find prints and maybe track down a wolf and wreck him. There's wolves, cool things in this game. Ow. I think I'm gonna put a series on this, but it's up to you guys. Okay? I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, there we go. Climb, please. Okay, this is where. This is just the traveling part. This is one of the most boring parts, but you gotta travel. Oh, dang. Tan rabbit, get him. Oh, he got stuck. Oh, I feel bad for you. Yeah, but I don't at the same time. Oh, shh. Oh, those things are the hardest things to catch. Yes, I have practiced this game. I've played a little. I keep dying over and over. But I think we're gonna be pretty safe. We're gonna be safe if you know what I mean. Oh yeah, and ignore any sounds in the background. It's just. Oh, guys, I just broke a leg. Oh, you might be like, what's this? Smell 1 required. The other ducks don't let me swim. It's mean. Oh, Wally the duck. Ducks aren't letting you swim here, hey? I took 15 damage because I fell. Shh. Oh! Frick! You don't even know how good that would be if I can get that. There we go. I just ate a pizza, boy. Oh, dude, I think this might be a secret. Can I, get something in there? Is there something cool? Oh, I don't know what that just gave me, but. Oh, I got a claw upward. Okay, that's cool. Can I get in this building? I've found this building in the demo or the beta, you may call it. And then I played a little, but I found it in both things. This is where I always get to. And the one you get here, I think I know how to get in, but you just gotta find the entrance. Okay, let's go. Okay. Where is it? Where's the thing that I want? Somewhere around here. It's a bunny. There's a bunny. Okay, I don't care about the bunny. Never mind. Bunny's not my problems right now. It's like not like the bunny's gonna change my life. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. There it is. I see it. I see it already. Maybe you guys, one of you guys probably saw it. I feel like one of you guys did. And yes, I can wear what you saw. Oh, yes. I'm just gonna eat everything I see. Because that's what you do in this game. Yes! Look at my guy now. Look at my bear in the bottom left. Yeah. We're going down. She's probably like, what the fudge? This is where you can get. Dun 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 dun! Wait, look what it says. Oh yeah, I almost forgot this. This is one of the most important ones. The dirt under our was my favorite place until these hooligans discovered, well, them hooligans, and dirt tide. What? This doesn't even like say anything. I actually am. I feel like I felt like they would say something at least. I know I've played this game, but like before, I felt like they said something important. So maybe that's why ducks aren't swimming in ponds. Pile of clothes. Oh, found one pile of clothes. How many piles of clothes are there? Wait a minute. I saw a red thing. Did you guys not see a red thing? Huh. I guess we're just gonna climb it, climb it, climb it, climb it, climb it. Yay, we're out of here, boys. Okay. Let's go. So, where next? That's what you might be asking. Ooh, I'll just take that. Yum, yum. Ah. Jump. Hit to the floor. No. Ha. Ooh, yeah, go boy. I think there might be something. Ooh, boy. Intelligence. There we go. I think I'm finding something cool. No. Go. No, I did not find this in beta or anything. Just saying. So this is new to me. I've never seen this. What the fudge? Yeah, you guys probably telling me go across the log. I was gonna. Kind of show. Okay. This is the dangerous part. Getting around this thing. Okay, never mind. That wasn't that hard. Let's go. Oh, wait. I saw something in the distance. I don't feel like that was the house we were just at. Yes, we definitely found something, guys. Something in that distance. Oh, I almost fell. Oh, shh. Did you see that, bunny? I think we might get some action today. I feel like this house is gonna be good. You guys may be saying, why didn't you kill a rabbit? I really don't care about him. I don't care about him, boys. Acknowledge that. Oh yeah, we 100% found something good. This is 100% something cool. This is good. This is good, boys. I think this is where I'm gonna end my episode off. Not now, but I think I'm gonna have to end it somewhere like in this area. This is just the cool area to end it. I think I should get in. Okay, let's get in here. Let's do this. Okay, there's probably so much things to eat. Oh, I can't wait. I gotta kill everything. Oh, yes, boys. Smell too required. No public or something? That's it. It says something about public. I'll tell you that. I want the chicken. You don't even know how bad I'm hungry. I need chicken. No public, stay out. Destroyed chicken. It's like, no, I ate them, you stupid. Red peppers. Wait. Feel like, ooh. +1 swim? That's something I've never seen before. I've never even been here, so I don't. I think I saw something. Maybe about here? There we go. I'm gonna go over there later. Just go and chill over there later. Dang it, boy. I feel something. Oh, you guys can't hear this, but I hear footprints. Like, maybe there's a person. Oh, that's a good sign. Okay. I think we should I end it here? Should I end it here? See, that's the question. That's the question. I'll see you guys all next time. I'm gonna put you on a loophole. And yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.